Unit 6. Do you like nature? Do you like to be close to a city or nature? A lot of beaches are close to the city. There are hotels and restaurants. In Iceland, there are also cities close to nature. Iceland is a great place with many things to see and do. The capital city, Reykjavik, has interesting art museums and music festivals. But Iceland also has amazing nature. There are volcanoes, hot springs, waterfalls, animals, and lots of great places for hiking and climbing. Iceland is also cold. But islands like Easter Island are not cold. Easter Island is in the Pacific Ocean. It's a long way from anywhere else, but it has beautiful beaches and mountains. And it is famous for its giant statues. And for more nature that isn't close to a city, what about Antarctica? There aren't a lot of people here. In fact, there are usually only scientists. There are no cities and no beaches. There are no trees and not many plants or flowers. But there is snow and ice. A lot of snow and ice. There are also beautiful animals such as penguins, seals, and whales. Antarctica is a real adventure. So where do you want to go next? A city, nature, or somewhere with a little bit of both?